The Chilliwack River Valley. Starting at the end of the road, Chilliwack Lake, with its mountain peaks, crystal clear water, amazing camping. It is brilliance. Whether you're enjoying a day at the beach, spending some time fishing on the lake, or a couple days camping, it is a treat to go to Chilliwack Lake. If you're looking for a hike, it's moderate, not too long, head to Lindemann Lake. It's a 1.7 kilometer up, 1.7 down. The views at the lake are stunning. The lake is glacial, crystal clear. A family with children can do the hike, but it might be a little tough, but it's definitely worth it. It gets very busy during the summer. It can get snowy in the fall and spring, but it's definitely a worthwhile hike to go. If you're looking for a hidden gem in the Chilliwack River Valley, find out about Bosmarne Falls. This little hike, lots of people can do, 3-year-olds, 2-year-olds. It's definitely well marked. The creek or the creek is beautiful. Falls at the end are definitely a gem. Not too many people hike this. It's pretty easy, a lot of fun, beautiful scenery. We definitely enjoy it as a family. There are so many places to go hiking. We've explored a few. Looking at all the peaks surrounding the Chilliwack River Valley, many of them are hikeable. You can backpack, you can fish, kayak, you can canoe on the lakes or boat. It's a great region. Definitely tons to do. It's one of the best reasons to live in Chilliwack or come to Chilliwack. If you like the outdoors, you really can see so much. Here's the Chilliwack Bridge going towards Cultus Lake in Yarrow. And here's the beautiful Chilliwack River. And when it flows past the bridge, it becomes the Vetter River. You'll see many fishermen when the salmon are in their runs all along the river. The colors, the trees. The great thing about this is that it has a beautiful hiking, biking trail system that you'll see here. You see to the right here and to the left the rotary trail system. And now this is the circle where you head towards the Chilliwack River Valley. Looking straight ahead now is where you head towards Chilliwack. And the city put together this beautiful artwork, the First Nations, the paddles and the canoe. I really wanted to highlight this because I really think this is a beautiful addition to the city. And it's in a great placement as people travel through here a lot during the summer.